Mithai! Did you hear that? Did you hear what Siddharth said?
What am I supposed to hear,
He had
grandfather?
started to have feelings for you within his heart.
Grandfather, can I say something? You think that your grandson has the same nature like you? That's why you are thinking that your grandson has started to have feelings for me. But Mithai has recognized your grandson well in all these days. He doesn't want to create a bond with me. And why would he want to create a bond with a girl like Mithai? Actually, since Mithai has done him a favor, so he's returning the favor to Mithai. He doesn't even believe in marriage. And divorce also doesn't make any sense to him. He has said that clearly to Ratul. Your grandson is somewhat like you. He wishes good for everyone. And Mithai is also included among that everyone. Oh, police sir. When did you come? Grandfather, police sir is here. Your angry grandson's friend. He's the one to get Sandy released from the lockup. Do you remember?
Yes.
Please come inside. Please come inside.
Of course I will come. Uh, my name is Rudra. You must be Sid's grandpa.
Yeah. Yes, I have realized you now. Please come. Have a seat. Siddharth has gone to the office.
Grandpa, actually... Is it okay if I call you grandpa? I haven't come here to meet Siddharth today. I didn't know that there is a wedding in this house, and yesterday I had come here without a gift, so today I have brought a chocolate for Nipa. Mithai, please take this. This is for Nipa.
Yes, I'll definitely give this to Nipa. Nipa isn't home now, but I won't let you leave like this. We have a wedding in this house. If I don't offer you some refreshment, grandmother will scold me. Grandfather, please sit with him. I'll get something to eat right away.
Yes. Our Mithai won't let you leave unless you eat something. Please have a seat.
Sure, Grandpa. Grandpa, I want you to know that Siddharth was like my younger brother when we were at the hostel. He used to feel sad for his mom. I used to console him then. Frankly speaking, we met each other after a very long time, and I also had outstation postings so frequently, so we couldn't meet earlier. But yesterday when I saw him, it really felt so good. After meeting him and talking to him, I felt that his burden has eased to a great extent. And I understood the reason behind it. When yesterday I met Mithai. Grandpa, today, while I was walking in, I heard few things. Grandpa, is everything okay between Siddharth and Mithai? I mean, please don't take it otherwise, Grandpa, and forgive me if I'm too inquisitive, but...
No. I've understood that you are a well-wisher of my grandson. Actually, their wedding happened under a strange circumstance. My grandson is a person of British etiquette and Mithai's Mithai. If you talk of a problem, then I must say that I have made them sign on the divorce papers.
You?
I will explain. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here. You have to finish everything that is on this plate.
Definitely I'll eat it. I don't have anyone in my life who serves food to me with so much care. Mithai, like your husband Siddharth, I am not that much fortunate.
What are you saying, police sir? Mithai is like an express train. If Mithai enters anyone's life in great speed, how can someone feel himself lucky? I will get the water for you.
Grandpa, for Mithai, if you need any kind of help from my side, I am ready for that. Please keep that in mind. Siddharth was an idiot earlier, and he still remains the same. Or else, even after getting someone like Mithai, what can I say?
Yes, the wedding is scheduled tomorrow evening. Yes, yes. Actually, everything had to be arranged in a hurry. If you guys attend, I'll be very happy. We are not doing anything lavish. The pandemic and the scare, Okay, fine. Bye then. What's wrong with you, Mithai? Couldn't you see that I was talking to someone?
Grandfather, I also have something very important to tell you. I have to visit the outlets.
What? But why?
Why? I need to know if any outlet has any special order. Later, you can call up the workshop and place the final order. Look, Uncle Amresh is busy with the wedding these days. Father is handling so much. How can you leave everything on Uncle Rosmoy and the employees? The wedding will continue for next 4 to 5 days. The business will incur loss this way. I'll go on my bicycle. It won't take much time, please.
I do get your point, but you want to visit the outlets at this hour on your bicycle? She has already expressed his displeasure in the morning about you working.
No, I can't go out today. Actually, the wedding is scheduled tomorrow. My grandma won't allow me.
Look, Nipa, I've come here for you. Now you decide what you want to do tomorrow. Do you want to sacrifice all your dreams or... Come on, Nipa. We live our lives just once. Please come over and meet me. I'm waiting for you.
Grandfather, please
I
let
can't
me go.
understand your point.
Please let me go.
What's happening here? What's happening?
Go.
Grandmother, look, if I don't visit the outlets, the business will incur loss. Please allow me to go and visit the workshop. Please, grandmother, please.
No. I don't want to listen to any excuse. These are my final words. You can't go anywhere.
Grandmother, you are just not getting the point. We couldn't deliver any order today. If we don't deliver tomorrow's order, then what will the customer think about us? We are entitled to serve the customers, aren't we?
You are just not trying to understand, Mithai. There is so much chores left at home. We aren't prepared yet for tomorrow's turmeric ceremony. Opa is engaged at Rajiv's place and Sulata is good for nothing. Anyway, no point talking about all that. Mithai, how will I manage everything all by myself? She also hasn't come home yet.
Listen, grandmother, it won't take me much time on my bicycle. Please.
Let her go, Sushma. Don't stop her. We can't deal with the losses now.
Mithai,
Yes?
listen.
What?
Actually, what I want to say, please take me along with you, Mithai. Actually, a friend of mine is waiting for me. My friend is going to give me a gift and I'm also left with some last moment shopping, Mithai. Mithai,
Have you gone mad, Sister Nipa? No. I can't take you along with me.
Mithai,
Yes?
please, Mithai.
How can take you out with me now?
What's happening? What is Nipa asking you to do?
Grandmother, I have something to tell you. Sister Nipa wants to go out with one of her friend is waiting for her.
No, that's not possible. Did you just hear that? It's her wedding tomorrow and she wants to go out. Everybody in this house is exercising free will. I'm not giving the permission. I don't want Nipa to go out.
Nipa, did you hear that? Why are you crying?
Sister Nipa, don't cry, please. You shouldn't cry before your wedding. Grandfather, why don't you reason with grandmother?
how?
I'll take Nipa with me and bring her back home
What?
safely. Grandfather, please.
Really? You girls are turning me crazy. What do I do now? Go.
Oh, grandfather, thank you.
Go.
Yes, come on.
Sushma! Where are you? Sushma?
Mithai,
Hmm.
I want you to know my plan. Wait here for me once you're done with your work. I will come back here after meeting my friend Meghna, okay?
Okay.
Mithai, thank you. I'll be back in a while.
Okay, slow down, Sister Nipa. If you run so fast, you might fall down and get injured before your wedding. Really? The house will seem empty once Nipa will go to her in-laws' place.
Aunt, ask your genius not to go overboard. She'll definitely dance, so let her dance, but I'll sit away, and if there are fragile things around, then please keep them away.
But Mithai isn't going to stay here for long. Um,
Hi.
Only I know how I managed to come here. Okay, quickly tell me about tomorrow's plan. I have to go back before Mithai finishes all her work.
Look, Nipa, you can't avoid taking some risk. You are about to live your dream life.
Frankly speaking, I'm I'm really confused about this whole thing.
What confusion, Nipa?
You know, Aditya, it's my wedding ritual tomorrow. And only because it's pandemic times, or else our house would be filled with guests by now. Everybody seems so happy. Will it be right for me to go to London?
So what? You want your social media account to be filled with old photographs? Nipa, you are about to live your dream life. Look, after marriage, there is no possibility. So at least before your marriage, live your dream life at once. And why are you being so tensed? My family is coming along to London. Why else would I ask you to join?
Yes, that's right. But you know what? I am feeling too scared because of all this.
Look, Nipa, leave all your confusions to me, okay? This is for you. I've bought this from a showroom in London.
What? This is very expensive. No, no. First of all, you aren't charging me anything for the London trip. And on top of that, such expensive gift.
Come on, Nipa, you're Sid's cousin. Sid and I had spent a lot of time together at hostel. Anyway, forget all that and let me explain tomorrow's plan to you. Inform home that you are going to the parlor. And yes, take Mithai along with you. She won't suspect anything. She's too simple. And listen, once you reach the parlor, exit through the side door. My car will be parked there. I will be meeting you on the way.
But Aditya, someone is coming home to do my makeup.
Nipa, you have to reach the parlor. Look, you have to convince your family that you need to visit the parlor. Please, 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 Nipa, please.
But what will I say to my family?
I'll handle everything. You just think about London. Think about your social media account. Think about your outfit, about the location, and about the photos. Your dream life. Imagine your dream life. I've had my eyes on you from a very long time, Nipa. I can't let you get married.
Aunt Appa. Aunt Appa, look here.
Ratul, don't disturb me. There is so much work left to be done.
Aunt. Now I'm going to ask an obvious question to you. How are you feeling today?
Oh, Nanda, what's wrong with Ratul? Is it Nipa's influence? How am I supposed to feel? Of course I am happy. Finally, Nipa and Ratul are getting married.
Nice. Hey guys, these are the gifts from Ratul's family that will reach Nipa's house tomorrow morning. Brother, say something.
Listen, Ratul, there is a limit to excitement. Nanda, please control your brother-in-law. And also, Dad has gone to bring Grandma home. Once she arrives, you will get your ears pulled for your antics the day before your wedding.
Ratul, enough now. Stop recording. Mother has gone to get a bangle from the jewelers, or else you would get your ears pulled right away.
Okay, guys, as you can see that I'm getting scolding here, so I have to turn off the camera. And Nipa, this video is for you.
Oh, my.
Oh my lord, he stopped finally. Ratul, you are already head over heels in love. You shouldn't get hurt later.
Nanda, why are you saying such inauspicious words? I agree that Nipa is a bit childish. She loves to deck up. For her, wedding might be an event of decking up. Ratul, won't you be able to handle her later?
No, Mom, darling. I'm worried about Ratul. Who will handle him? I mean, I'm amazed to see the lover boy. Tell me, Ratul, where did you store so much love? You lived in abroad, yet you couldn't manage to get a girlfriend for yourself. I used to get worried thinking of what will happen of my brother.
Again. You started it again. Listen, I'm getting married, so I have a status now.
Really?
Yes. Don't pull my leg in front of everyone.
Especially not in front of Nipa. Listen, marriage is not a child's play. We also have to reason with Nipa that Ratul is her husband. Or else mother will be annoyed.
Oh my, Rajiv. Your wife is already talking like a responsible sister-in-law. Nanda, you know, every girl changes after marriage. Don't you see Mithai? Poor thing. She's in a trap.
No. Oh Lord, why did you get me into this trouble? Where did Sister Nipa go? She had asked me to wait for her over here. I'm in trouble now. I can't go inside the house alone. Oh Lord, please bring Sister Nipa as soon as possible. I think today both of us are going to get scolded.
Mom has arrived. Everyone make way, please. Mom has arrived. Come on.
Are my grandsons. Hey,
Here
my
we are.
darling boys. Hey, come here. Hey, my darling boy Ratul. It's okay. May Lord bless you, my child. Hey, Animesh.
Yes, Mom.
Bring out the sacred flower of our ancestral lords from my bag and give it to Ratul.
Okay.
Hey, my child. Always keep this sacred flower with you, understood? I sense some obstacle in your wedding. Are you all following the wedding rituals properly?
Yes, don't worry about that. We'll
Listen to
follow
me.
all the
Aunt,
rules.
you don't worry at all. We will handle everything. And Sushmita will also be back soon. Isn't it, Animesh?
Yes.
Wait, Grandma, let me take you in your room. Please freshen up. This place is too crowded. Right. Very well. Hey, Nanda. Is your cousin as good as you are? Do you think that she is ready to create that bond?
Hey, Mom, please stop now. Why do you have to start it again?
You're impossible. Go to your room, please.
Nanda, make some drink for Mom. She did not consume anything on a train journey. Mom, let me take you inside. Come
Yes,
on. I've
please go
asked you
on.
so many times not to say anything anywhere. Come on. Why do you say all
Okay,
this?
let's go
Why do you
inside.
talk so much? Can't you keep quiet?
walking.
Why are you standing here? Go.
Oh, yes. I will go.
Ratul,
Yes.
lend a hand.
Sure,
Because of
sure.
this pandemic, your mom doesn't want a crowd. So there is too much work and too less people. So get to work.
Yes. Aunt. I'm ready to work and I want to send a separate gift to Nipa. I have bought a mobile for her.
Oh my. Won't you show us the handset? Go and bring it here.
Okay, I'll get it. Wait.
I don't know why, but I'm feeling too apprehensive within. I'm the one responsible for this marriage. I hope the wedding gets without any problem.
Nanda, why are you getting tensed for no reason? Go inside and go and give that juice to grandma. Go.
Let me
Have a
see.
look, Aunt.
Wow.
Come on.